Look what you did.
You can't have my food. It's mine.
Just give him like one foot. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What is it doing?
Dance. Roll over. Tiny waterfall. No fishies though. Let's cross. Be careful. Okay. I'm crossing. Oh no. What if I'm too heavy? Okay. This is scary. Your turn. What the?
Okay.
Such a nice neighborhood.
It is. Look how pretty the clouds are. Oh, pretty. Oh, everything's so pretty. Well, it continues off to the right.
Look at that cloud.
I know, right?
I think we're lost.
Shoot.
Oh man. Okay. We found a nice view. It's a big circle.
So big.
We could literally put tables and chairs out here. It must be so pretty because these kids gave me flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Are you jelly?
Hello, Jelly, yeah.
You see them in the back, in the background?
Yeah, I see him.
They gave it to me.
I guess he was traveling with us.
Raining so hard.
Yeah. But it's dangerous driving in this kind of weather. I think it's slowly lighting up now.
But you said you like driving in the rain.
I do love driving in the rain.
Sorry for my manly voice. I'm just parched.
You and all that water hits you, they spit on you.
But Trip's having a waterfall right there.
Definitely.
It looks rich.
All this water. Oh, look at that.
In 1 mile, turn right onto East Lovers Lane.
So, whoa. Why does everything look rich here? What the heck? So you may be wondering where we're going. We're going to this Korean restaurant.
Pop
What's it called?
Soul Kitchen.
Bob Soul Kitchen. So I got for Rio's Bob. It's like bibimbap. It's like rice mixed with a bunch of vegetables and meat. And I had hot sauce on it, but it's not that spicy. He got orange bop, which is
Not that spicy, but it's really sweet.
yeah. As you can see, it's very tasty. It's disappearing very quick. We're so coming back. Oh look, Jimmy John's. I think they sell sandwiches.
I think so too.
Free smells. I'm only here for the smell. Muggy. Slug bug. Oh no, Mom. What was that?
That was my phone.
I thought it was some kind of water droplet.
My water droplet that hard.
Well, you know, it's hard raining. That's the only thing I know. I want something stronger.
Mhm.